The Irish Centre for Manufacturing Research and Competence Centre is a grouping of industrial, large manufacturing facilities, multinational facilities, small and medium enterprises and universities doing research focusing on the challenges that exist to make Ireland more competitive through improving production costs, through improving cycle time, through improving employee development.
In one area, we've actually managed to optimize a future purchase of automation system. We've managed to look at how a human interacts with the machine and fine-tune it before we actually lay the purchase order. So the ICMR is working for Irish industry to raise the bar for Irish industry, and raising that level of innovation and technology available in Ireland will help us put our head above the rest of the network and really be a place for further investment going forward. The challenge really is to exploit that pool of talent that we're bringing together around the table.
Through our involvement with ICMR and some of the multinationals visiting us, that we'll be able to identify areas quicker and easier than we would do ourselves. I think by bringing the multinationals, the indigenous sector and the universities together, there's great possibilities for Ireland Incorporated and driving the whole country forward. Looking for the savings, looking for the things that make us unique as a country for doing business in or for manufacturing to be based in.
I feel the Irish Manufacturing Competence Research Centre will add to Ireland's competitiveness in the future. It's going to help Ireland to reduce its costs. It's going to provide a foundation for us to become more cutting edge.
I hope to see the ICMR being a sort of a research centre in its own right, with a core team of principal engineers and scientists who will provide the interface effectively between companies and the academic sector, and that they will be sort of essentially prototyping and developing solutions that then can be rolled out on a wider scale, potentially directly to the companies, but also potential for new businesses, new company, new commercialisation opportunities out of the work of the centre. First and foremost, I think it's very important that university research is informed by real world problems.
So the successes to date involve the sharing of best practices from company to company. A key success also going forward would be to encourage those companies that are already investing within Ireland to continue to invest and expand within Ireland.
The vision for ICMR is that over the next 5 years that Ireland and this centre will be seen as a centre of excellence in Europe for advanced manufacturing research, and that if companies in Europe are looking to know where they should go to have breakthroughs to drive down their production costs, they will come to Ireland and to this centre to work with us. We've effectively been working together over the last 12 months, and in that short period of time we've already seen some successes to date, where we've had sharing of best practice taking place across the companies, and different companies have taken up some of the best practices that have been shared with them by other companies, and we've already seen that being put onto the manufacturing floor, and our partners have already seen significant improvement in manufacturing costs as a result of that.
And the dream for us is that Irish sites would be the premier sites within their respective corporations, and that within 5 years we were considered as the #1 site for innovation, for excellence and for continuous improvement. We would be internationally recognised as a centre of excellence in how to manufacture.
The Manufacturing Research Centre is about the interaction between universities and companies to provide a basis for the development of new tools and new approaches to improve the efficiency of manufacturing in Ireland. So at the moment in our strand we have a whole range of companies from the very north of the island all the way down to the very south tip of the island who are involved in the area of research and partnering with us as universities in defining the problems and coming up with the practical solutions, to ensure that we continue to get foreign investment coming in because we offer a superior product as an island from the point of view of a place to undertake manufacturing, to ensure then that our SMEs are capable as well of taking part in that efficiency, so that we can map the sort of efficiencies that large companies get onto SMEs, and the ICMR would be central to that. The companies also provide a considerable amount of expertise in getting towards the solution as well. That it's not a case of the industry stating the problem and the university providing the answer. It's a case of the two of us working together towards the solution.
But the advantage is the fact that one can learn from the other, and now you've got academic research dealing with industrial challenges, so it's research for industry benefit.
The larger goal, I suppose, or almost the vision of what I see for ICMR is that we make a breakthrough in how research itself is conducted. But the process of research and the process of acquiring knowledge can be made more effective, and by being more effective it means we spend less or we get more for the same amount of money, and we get it sooner and it's more relevant. The key success has been the alignment of the partner companies with the funding agencies and the research groups.